In order to access your Informant backups, either to restore a backup or make a new backup, you'll go into your Informant settings. You'll tap on Backup Restore, and this will bring up a list of all of your backup files. To make a new backup file, you'll select Backup Now, and you can choose to backup all of your files or only the database. If you want to restore your Informant to a previous backup, you'll select the backup that you'd like to restore, and then you'll choose the Restore option at the top of the page. If you want to send your backup outside of Informant, you can tap the square with the arrow, and it will give you the option to send that backup file to either your email or your iCloud. You'll also notice on this page that you can make your automatic backup increment here. This is going to set how often your Informant does its own backup. So you can choose any of the options here and then hit back. This is also the page where you can choose to import a backup from your cloud. So your Informant will automatically back up based on the increment that you've set here, and they will save internally on your device. They will also save to your iCloud. You can get to these backups by going to your iCloud.com and then selecting Files and Informant 5.